Hello, hello! We have new hair again. Are we surprised? You really shouldn't be at this point. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Carolyn if you've never been here before. If you're new, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button down below and the like button as well if you like this video. Today we are trying out the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. I was at the drugstore the other day, and by the other day I mean like 3 weeks ago, and I'm finally getting around to filming this video, and I saw this and I was like, ooh, that's fun. I think it came out this year, but it's not super new, but it sounds right up my alley. It's got hyaluronic acid and squalane. It's oil-free and sheer to medium coverage. Tinted hydrator skin veil sounds right up my alley. I love a tinted moisturizer for summer. I recently did a review on the Fenty Skin Tint too, if you want to check that out. So yeah, we're gonna test this out. On the back it says this oil-free perfector delivers hydrating benefits in a buildable sheer to medium tint for a flawless, softly luminous complexion. Hyaluronic acid and plant-derived squalene help to promote healthy looking, supple, moisturized skin. Sounds perfect, baby. I have very dry skin, so something like this is right up my alley. I'm gonna do one half with my little fingies and one half with a brush. That's typically how I would apply a product like this. So yeah, and I got the shade Porcelain. I believe this is the lightest shade. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little onto my little fingy. This is very liquidy. I'm gonna do fingers on this side. Oh, I think I grabbed too much. Oh, that's actually like pretty like decent coverage. I'm gonna have to bring some over here. I'm sorry. I ruined the science. I mean, that was probably a good amount for the whole face. It was just too much for half of my face. But it blended in really nice with just the fingers. Everything, I don't even feel the need to tap over with a sponge. That looks really nice. And the color's actually really good for me right now. It's a little bit darker than the other tinted moisturizers I have, but that's good for summer. And oh, that looks bomb. And the coverage is like, I mean, it's lighter coverage for sure, but like it definitely toned down my redness. And that blended in so nicely. I don't really feel the need to tap over with a sponge. Normally I do with anything, basically. But that looks really nice and still gave good coverage. It blended in just like a lotion. So I am gonna build up a little bit. We have a little less coverage on this side because there was less product over there. So I'm gonna take my foundation brush here and I put some on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna pick up some with my brush and build it up a little bit. Oh yeah. Alright, that built up beautifully with a brush. I am gonna tap over because there are some areas which I feel like I just can't like fully get with a brush. And I think I liked my fingers a little better just because I felt like I could really work the product into the skin. But the brush like looked nice too. I got really good coverage with my fingers. This looks so good. It's not picking up on any dry patches. It looks super hydrated and healthy. Not looking makeup-y at all. It's really skin-like. Okay, so far this is looking real nice, guys. It's definitely hydrating. It's definitely skin-like. It's definitely buildable too. Like we got like a pretty solid like medium coverage here, which is like pretty damn good for a skin tint. It's a little bit tacky to the touch, but it doesn't feel like overly sticky or anything. And I would say the finish is like, it's like a satin finish. It's not super dewy. It's definitely not matte. I really like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. I kept it super simple with the makeup today. I used the Becca Under Eye Corrector under the eyes, little bit of Fenty Beauty bronzer in Shady Biz, some Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for highlight, and then I used the Ilia Multi-Stick in Lady Bird for blush, Dior lip gloss in 643, and then I did do some Charlotte Tilbury powder, just a little bit under the eyes, this area, chin, and then underneath like this part right here. And I had absolutely no issues blending both creams and powders. I also used the Murad Hydration Prebiotic 3-in-1 Mist to finish off, and Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. But yeah, I really, really like this. I think this is an excellent tinted moisturizer slash like lightweight foundation for the summer, and especially for the price. This is it's pretty dang good, guys. I'm gonna zoom you in to see what it looks like up close again. I do feel like it has oxidized just a little bit, but not too bad. But if you have oily skin, you might wanna keep that in mind. So far so good, everybody. I'm gonna go about my day. It is a little bit later in the day, but I'm gonna try to keep this on for as long as possible. It is 2 p.m. right now. So I'm going to check in with you guys in a few hours. All right, bathroom natural lighting check-in, everybody. It's about 7 p.m. right now, and we're looking pretty good. The foundations or the tinted moisturizers, I think, holding up really, really well. It's not looking cakey anywhere. I think the coverage has pretty much been maintained. You can still see like my bronzer and my highlight. It is like looking the slightest bit dry around my nose, but nothing horrible. All foundations do that on me. Yeah, we're looking pretty dang good. So this is about 5 hours in, and I would say like bomb. And already like for a tinted moisturizer, you know, it's looking good after 5 hours, which means I would absolutely wear this again, even if it doesn't hold up for the rest of the night. Because I find typically with tinted moisturizers, I mean, they're going to naturally fade throughout the day. Although this one's held up pretty well, but they tend to not look super cakey, but I don't know, we'll see. But even so, like, usually if I'm throwing on a tinted moisturizer, you know, I'm just going to run errands, like, it doesn't need to be something that lasts all day. So I'm pretty impressed so far. I really like this. I think it is a great product for the price. And I'm gonna check in with you guys at the end of the night. Hello, bathroom check-in number 2. I literally have my ring light like on my sink right now, like hello. But anyways, yeah, so it's about 11 p.m. right now, a little after 11. I'm getting ready to go to bed, take my makeup off, but I'm just gonna do a final little check-in. I think we're looking pretty dang good. So the foundation's been on for 9 hours now, and I think it's looking pretty dang good. I do think the coverage has faded a little bit. I kind of expected that with this type of product, but it's still definitely there. It hasn't like gone away completely. You can still see my bronzer and highlight, which is really nice. Only place I don't like it is just right around my nose. It's just looking a little dry. It did rub off on my nose, but I also just blew my nose, so I don't know what I expected. But yeah, I think it looks nice. You know, the coverage is faded. I wouldn't necessarily call this like the most incredible long lasting foundation ever, but it is really nice, and I think it still looks really good. I think that this tinted moisturizer is phenomenal for the price. I think that it's a great find if you're looking for a nice affordable tinted moisturizer. This is a really good one. It definitely, I agree that it's hydrating, it's buildable. I would say it's like a true natural finish. It's not super dewy, it's definitely not matte. It's really a true natural finish. I think if you're oily, you probably definitely want to set this. If you're dry, I think you could go either way. It looks great both ways. So yeah, so far so good. I really like this one. I think it's fantastic. You know, I say like for the price, but I think, you know, I would have the same thoughts if this was a more expensive foundation too. I think it's really nice. And I can definitely see myself wearing this like consistently during the summer. So that is all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already, please subscribe below and like this video if you liked it, and I will see you all again soon. Bye. All right, my camera just got possessed. I'm not sure what that was about. Troll. Satin, whoa. What are you guys doing? My cat's just like slammed into the door. Oh my God, okay.